Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve the examples on finding the equation of tangent and normal. Okay. चलो तो let us see one example. ठीक है, find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve. One curve is given, that is this curve is given x to the power 2 by 3 plus y to the power 2 by 3 is equal to 2. What we have to do, we have to find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve. So equation of tangent means equation of tangent, right? So now what we are going to do, see, slope of tangent means was what? dy by dx. Yes, at point is given in equation, it is given at point 1 comma 1. So 1 comma 1. See, this thing is given in equation, right? So you read the question one time, you will be able to understand. So whenever we are solving the video, you must see your question also, right, from the textbook. So it will be clear to you. Anyways, I am speaking it, but if it is in front of you, then it will be good. So if we differentiate this is our f of x, or y, we can say this is our y. So if we differentiate this, then 2 by 3 x raised to we will get this, right? Now 2 by 3 common, it will be cancelled with 0. So we will be left with x raised to minus 1 by 3 plus y raised to minus 1 by 3 dy by dx equal to 0. Right? Now if I take this on right side, it will become plus, right? Minus 1 by 3 will become plus. And see, from this I can write dy by dx is equal to 2. ठीक है, व्हाट आई हैव डन, सी माइनस कंफ्यूज मत होना, एक्चुअली ऐसा होता है कि x रेज टू माइनस 1 by 3 डिवाइड बाई y रेज टू माइनस 1 by 3, बट आई हैव डन माइनस साइन, आई हैव रिमूव्ड हियर, सी, so it will become reciprocal. So it will be dy by dx is equal to minus y raised to 1 by 3 divided by x raised to 1 by 3. Now we have to put the value 1. ठीक है, अब देखो भाई, 1 raised to any power if you keep, it will be 1 only. So minus 1 by 1, what will be the value? Minus 1. ठीक है, सी, माइनस को आप थोड़ी देर के लिए साइड पे ले लो, तो y रेज टू 1 by 3 मीन्स 1 रेज टू 1 by 3, तो 1 आएगा. डिनोमिनेटर x रेज टू 1 by 3, तो 1 रेज टू 1 by 3 मीन्स 1. सो 1 by 1 इज 1 ओनली, बट माइनस साइन, सो माइनस 1. मैंने ब्रैकेट किया है कि क्लियरली पता चल जाए, राइट? चलो, तो स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट इज इक्वल टू, वी हैव गॉट now equation of tangent. ठीक है, slope of tangent is minus 1. This is slope of tangent. Slope of tangent. Now equation of tangent, see, by simple, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So equation of tangent, y minus y1 is what? 1 only. m slope -1, x minus x1. So this is our equation of tangent. ठीक है, चलो तो slope of tangent is -1. You write down this, and equation of tangent is this. Now let us come to that of the normal. ठीक है, देखो दो लाइंस होती है परपेंडिकुलर, तो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द स्लोप में m1 इंटू m2 इज इक्वल टू -1. सेम वे, ठीक है, अगर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट इंटू स्लोप ऑफ नॉर्मल इज इक्वल टू -1, देन slope of normal is equal to -1 by. See, don't get confused, huh? Sir, how we have got this is the formula, right? We have written yesterday f dash of x0 when we discussed at that time. यहाँ पे आप dy by ds भी लिख सकते हो, because of that you will not be getting confused. Okay, what value we have got? Dy by dx -1. So -1 slope of normal is what? 1. ठीक है, चलो तो now equation of normal same as this, but slope is 1. So equation of normal y -1 1 x -1. सिंपल, वहाँ पे स्लोप -1 था तो इक्वेशन ही आई, यहाँ पे स्लोप 1 है तो इक्वेशन की जगह पे मतलब सेम है बट -1 की जगह पे 1 है, राइट. तो यू अंडरस्टूड दिस. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द एक्सरसाइज. ठीक है, चलो तो हाँ, see what is given? Curve is given y equal to 3x power 4 minus 4x. ठीक है, find the slope of a tangent at x equal to 4. We have to find the slope. तो भाई slope of find slope of को ये मतलब इसका slope find करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? Differentiate करेंगे with respect to x, and wherever x is there we will keep x equal to 4. Very simple thing, right? So we will write over here differentiation of 3x power 4, 4 3 are 12, 12x cube minus 4, so 12 x cube, so 4 cube minus 4, so you will get 764. 4 cube 64, 64 into 12, 64 into 12 that is 768, and 768 minus 4 764. You will get this answer. Clear? A very simple sum, just we have to find the differentiation and then we have to put the value x equal to 4. चलो now आंसर नंबर सी. देखो ये मतलब यहाँ पे सिर्फ नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन ज़्यादा है, राइट, कंसेप्ट इज सेम. तो आंसर नंबर 2 3 4 आप खुद सॉल्व कर लोगे, ठीक है. इट विल बी डन, आई एम 100% श्योर. अगर ना हो तो मुझे बताना, मैं सॉल्व करवाऊंगा, राइट, डोंट वरी. लेकिन प्रैक्टिस के लिए वो आपको सम भी दे दूंगा, ठीक है. और हमारा थोड़ा यहाँ पे टाइम भी सेव हो जाएगा कि एक ही टाइप के क्वेश्चन जो है वो मतलब बार बार करना उससे अच्छा कि आप प्रैक्टिस करो, कुछ कन्फ्यूजन है तो मुझे बताओ, राइट? तो मैं सॉल्व करवाऊंगा, अगर ना हो तो मैं तीनों तीन करवाऊंगा, सेकंड ऑल्सो, थर्ड ऑल्सो, फोर्थ ऑल्सो, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट, बट यू मस्ट बी क्लियर विद द आंसर. नाउ आंसर नंबर 5. आंसर नंबर 5 वी हैव, I am reading the question first of all. Find the slope of the normal to the curve x equal to, see here what is given, they have given x equal to a cos cube theta. See, now they have given it is x and y both are connected by a parameter called theta. ठीक है, x and y both are connected parametrically, right? And it is also given at theta equal to pi by 4. मतलब what we have to do, find the slope of the normal to the curve x equal to a cos cube theta and y equal to a sin cube theta at at theta equal to pi by 4. Means, see, what will be the slope of the normal? -1 by dy by dx. ठीक है, it is given only theta equal to pi by 4, so we will find that theta equal to pi by 4 only because it is given in question. चलो, तो now dy by dx I want to find. See, we need to find this in short, but to find this we first of all want dy by dx. So how we will get from this dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta, means differentiate this with respect to theta, 3a sin square theta cos theta. Here d theta by dx will not come, or dx by d theta will not come. Why? Because d theta divided by d theta means d theta by d by d theta of theta, it will be 1 only. So the only this for numerator, only this. Same way for denominator, 3a cos square theta, but I am writing minus. Why I am writing minus? Because derivative of cos is minus sine, right? Now listen to me very carefully. ठीक है, ये 3 कट, एक कट, एक साइन और ये साइन कट, एक कॉस और ये कॉस कट, तो बचा क्या? व्हाट इज लेफ्ट? सी केयरफुली, साइन थीटा बाय कॉस थीटा, दैट इज नथिंग बट tan थीटा. But theta is given, that is pi by 4, so tan pi by 4, tan pi by 4 equal to 1. But one cheese I forgot over here. Minus sign. ठीक है, -1, आंसर विल कम -1. एवरीथिंग इज सेम बट माइनस साइन इज देयर इन डिनोमिनेटर, सो माइनस विल कम, ओके, इन आंसर. चलो, तो आई होप दैट दिस यू अंडरस्टूड. ठीक है, बट वी हैव नॉट गॉट आवर फाइनल आंसर. दिस इज नथिंग बट dy by dx. नाउ वी हैव टू कीप ओवर हियर dy by dx. ठीक है, you write it downwards only. Now you write slope of normal is equal to -1 divide by, means in denominator, dy by dx sec theta equal to pi by 4. That value we have got. What is that value? -1. So keep -1. -1 by -1, the answer is 1. You note down this right now. Okay. चलो, तो now what you have to do? -1 by -1, the answer is 1. ठीक है, you understood? चलो, तो now question number 6 also is same type of question, right? You try to solve on your own. Now let us proceed with question number 7. I am reading a question that is, find the points at which tangents to the curve y equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7 is parallel to x axis. To understand this question very carefully, right? So it is given, find the points at which tangents to the curve. Curve is given, that is what? Curve is given, that is y equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7. ठीक है, इस पैरेलल टू एक्स एक्सिस. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, समझो मेरी बात को, लिसन टू मी वेरी केयरफुली. ठीक है, एक देखो कर्व कैसे भी हो सकता है, राइट? ऐसे भी हो सकता है, ऐसे भी हो सकता है, ऐसे भी हो सकता है. इट कैन बी एनीथिंग कर्व. बट हियर व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, that is, this curve we have to find tangent such that that tangent is parallel to x axis. मतलब कैसा आएगा, like this way. और अगर पैरेलल है टेंजेंट तो स्लोप कितना बनेगा, 0. तो dy by dx will be what? See, they have not given this, but they have told us in form of that it is parallel to x axis. Parallel to x axis means dy by dx equal to 0. That means what? We have to find dy by dx for this curve and then equate it to 0. So let's do it. We will get the points. चलो, तो y equal to that, this curve is given. So now differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx, 3x square now listen, 3 तो 0 हो नहीं सकता because 3 is 3 only. X minus 3 is 0, then x equal to 3, and x plus 1 is 0, then x equal to minus 1. So 2 points that are at x equal to 3 and x equal to minus 1. ठीक है, at these 2 points at x equal to 3 and x equal to minus 1 पे dy by dx is 0. So if we keep x equal to 3 over here in this equation, okay, because we need to find the point, this is the value of x only. So find the point, that is y equal to 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square minus 9 into 3 plus 7. You calculate it, you will get the answer. तो when x equal to 3 value of y is minus 20 and when x equal to minus 1 value of y is 12. So these are the points at which the means which is our required answer at which the tangents to the curve. ठीक है, tangents देखिए, listen to me, एक पॉइंट नहीं है, दो आया, क्यों? बिकॉज इन क्वेश्चन इट इज गिवन, छोटी छोटी बातों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए, राइट? इट इज गिवन tangents, so it is find the points, sorry it is given find the points, पॉइंट्स दिया हुआ है, तो एक से ज़्यादा है इसीलिए पॉइंट दिया उन्होंने, पॉइंट्स, ठीक है? तो I hope that now it is clear. If you have any confusion, then you let me know, right? So that's it for today. Thank you very much. Have a great day.